International protection is a set of fundamental rights recognized by Italy to refugees and holders of subsidiary protection. First of all, it guarantees the right not to be repatriated and to stay in Italy. In which cases can you be recognized as a refugee? According to the 1951 Geneva Convention, you are recognized as a refugee if you have a well-founded fear of being persecuted in your country of origin for reasons of race, for example for the color of the skin or the belonging to an ethnic group, religion, for example for religion and rights that you practice or do not practice, nationality, example for your language, culture, ethnic origins, political opinion, for example because of your membership in political groups or your political ideas, belonging to a specific social group, example a group of people who identify themselves in common characteristics or are perceived by society as a distinct group precisely because of those characteristics, for example in some countries a specific sexual orientation or a certain job or a certain style of life, and you cannot receive protection from your home country. If you are stateless, you do not have any citizenship, the country that is considered is the one in which you have habitually lived. Examples of persecution are threats to life, torture, slavery, unjust deprivation of liberty, female genital mutilation, or a serious violation of basic human rights, or other very serious or repeated violations of your rights. In which cases can you have subsidiary protection? When there are no conditions for refugee status, you are granted subsidiary protection if there are reasonable grounds to believe that, if you return to your country of origin, you would actually run the risk of serious harm, death sentence, torture, inhuman or degrading treatment, danger of death because there is an ongoing armed conflict in your country, and you would not be able to receive protection from your country of origin. Also, in this case, if you are stateless, the country that is considered is the one in which you have lived habitually. In which cases can you have special protection? In the exceptional case in which you cannot be recognized as a holder of international protection, but in your country of origin you would still be at risk of persecution, torture, or other forms of inhuman or degrading treatment, you may be granted special protection. Can you apply for international protection? Yes, if you are not a citizen of the European Union and you cannot return to your country of origin because you are afraid of being persecuted or you risk suffering serious harm. Yes, if you do not have any citizenship and fear that you will be persecuted or risk suffering serious harm if you return to the country of habitual residence.